5 simple steps for Kanban success. Kanban can be used for any kind of project. First, figure out if you're going to use an online tool or just paper and post-it notes. Share it with your team and build the cards together. Next, manage your work in progress. You want to make sure you keep your team focused and moving forward on just the tasks they need to do at that moment. Resolve bottlenecks by keeping tasks clear and simple and optimizing workflow by doing things in the right order. Encourage feedback by asking your team what's working and what's not. Make sure they have the information they need when they need it, and if they have an issue, resolve it fast. Kanban boards are an easy way to make a sustainable, fit-for-purpose solution perfect for your client. They're also easy to use and simple to start. If you'd like more information on Kanban boards, check out the links below.